So this is the early morning view. The beach next to our stay, that is the Sunrise Beach. Actually Kala Patthar Beach is 3 kilometers away from here. It is the same beach line. So sun will rise in some time, but sky looks colorful before the sunrise. So this is how the sunrise looks in Andaman. Actually in mobile camera it doesn't justify the view which I have seen. So if you have a proper DSLR you can bring it. Then we went for scuba diving, and next few minutes of video which you will witness was definitely one of the best moments of this trip.
आप जब छोड़ने आए थे ना
सही डल्ला नहीं होता सुबह सुबह पहला स्लॉट में ना। हाँ बस उतना ही। कभी कभी टटल भी दिखता है।
बट सांप काटेगा नहीं। सांप नहीं काटेगा, बाइट नहीं
तो जब वो अंडा देगा तब नहीं जाना उसका आजू बाजू, बाकी वो नॉर्मल आदत होगी उस लोगों को भी देख देख के। अच्छा
The scuba diving is done. Actually I went for the boat diving. I enjoyed the 20 minutes underwater. So yeah. So now we'll go to Elephant Beach. So we are at Elephant Beach right now. This beach is actually famous for water sports. Apart from scuba, they do all other things like snorkeling, sea walk and submarine ride like that one. So you can be inside the compartment and you can look at the corals, and also they do parasailing and lot of different rides. So they say this is 1,000 rupees per head to come here by boat, and the charges are 1,000 rupees, and they say complimentary snorkeling, but that is like nothing. That snorkeling is like they will just show you the sand only, so like instruction only. If you go for a proper snorkeling, before snorkeling they will give a briefing, so like that briefing only they are doing it for free. If you are interested, you can pay extra, then they will take you over there, that floating balls, so those area, there you can do proper snorkeling. So if you are not doing any water sports, then it's not recommended to come here. If you are doing any water sports or water activity or any ride, then only come here. Otherwise you can skip Elephant Beach. So at Elephant Beach you can get a lot of options to eat, maybe just to have snacks kind of thing. To go to the Elephanta Beach, actually you need to come to Havelock Jetty. There are a lot of counters who will be selling the tickets, and then all the boats will go from here only. So you need to purchase the ticket and wait for some time. Wait for like 20 minutes. They'll actually allot you a boat. Then you can go in that boat only. You don't need to pre-book any activity. You can go there and purchase also all the tickets. So if you are not very sure what you are going to do, you can go there and decide.
Then we headed towards Radhanagar beach for the sunset.
We will get to experience proper sunset at Radhanagar beach on the second day actually. Yesterday it was cloudy, so the sun actually went behind the clouds. Now it is still a little bit cloudy, but I think still we'll be able to see much better sunset compared to yesterday. At Radhanagar beach, at sunset time, means once the sun sets, they announce to close the beach, and they'll ask everyone to come out of the water. So be mindful of that when you are traveling to Andamans. They follow strict rules, strict timings. Whatever timing is mentioned, by that time they will close the beach. When Elephant Beach was mentioned at 3 o'clock, and right at 3 o'clock they announced to, and everyone stopped doing any water activities.